What's up, guys? My name is Darren and welcome back to another video on the Teej Hanley channel. Look, there is nothing worse than leaving home and realizing that you left something that you need, especially those items that we cannot live without. So hey, today's checklist is going to ensure that you never leave these items at home again, and may even introduce you to a few other items that you didn't even realize that you needed on a daily basis. All right, guys, the first item on the list is, of course, your phone and a phone charging case. Now, we all know that your phone, of course, is an item that you'll probably never leave behind, but consider adding a nice charging case to the mix as well. With cell phone battery life not seeming to last that long, it's important to have something along with you that's going to be able to bring your phone back to life. And rather than lugging around a travel charger and looking for an outlet to plug it into, or lugging around one of those really chunky travel chargers, why not go with the slimmer option and attach it directly to your phone? All right, guys, now the second item that you're going to need, of course, are your car keys and a location tracker. Again, we understand your keys is an item that you're probably not going to leave the house without, obviously. But if you're always looking for your keys before you leave the house, why not use and attach a tracking device to your keys? That way it makes it easier for you to find them before you leave the house. And it's going to save you some time. You can simply attach the tracker to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and actually it'll play music for you while you're looking for your keys. And it'll help you find them in the event that they're lost, or even worse, in the event that your keys have been stolen. All right, guys, now the third item on our list today, we promise this is the last obvious one, is a very sleek wallet or a money clip. Now, the last thing that you want is a bulky wallet in your pants that's ruining your pants or actually causing your pants to bulge. So make sure that you get a sleek wallet or switch to a money clip altogether. Guys, the fourth item on our list is a quality lip balm. You want to apply a lip balm to your lips every few hours because you definitely don't want to be walking around with scabbed lips or chapped lips. So make sure that you apply a lip balm to your lips every few hours because, hey, look, let's be honest. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, so it's really easy to make sure that you bring this along with you every day. In the summertime, you want to make sure that you are definitely applying lip balm on a regular basis. According to a study that was done by the Europe Journal of Dentistry in 2011, actinic cheilitis can be caused by your lips being overly exposed to the sun, especially your bottom lip, which gets more direct sunlight. So guys, it's very important to make sure that on a daily basis you are carrying around a quality lip balm. All right, guys, now the fifth item on our list is a quality pair of Bluetooth earbuds. Whether you're waiting on somebody, taking public transportation, or whatever it is that you're doing, you want to have a nice pair of dope earbuds. And the Bluetooth accessibility makes these things a lot easier to carry around. You don't have to worry about those ugly dangling cords. So make sure, guys, you invest into a quality pair of Bluetooth capable earbuds. And guys, the number 6 item on our list today of things that you should carry with you every day, of course, is hand sanitizer. Now, of course, with everything that's going on with COVID-19, it's important that you have hand sanitizer with you every day. In those moments where you're unable to get to, of course, some warm water and soap to make sure that you're able to wash your hands, it's important to have something like hand sanitizer to make sure that you can keep your hands sanitized and clean. And the smaller size containers like this that are available at, Walmart and drugstores across the world make it very, very easy and convenient to make sure that you're carrying hand sanitizer with you every day. Now, if soap and water is available, you want to make sure that you use that over hand sanitizer, because although hand sanitizer is a good substitute, it's not as good at eliminating harmful germs than hot water and soap. So if hot water and soap is available, you want to make sure that you use that over your hand sanitizer. A 2009 study done by the Clinical Infectious Disease found this to be true when researching the influenza virus. So guys, when soap and water is available, you want to make sure that you do use soap and water over hand sanitizer. Although it's a good substitute, it's still not as good as using soap and water. And last but not least, guys, you want to make sure that you have a quality hand moisturizer. And a healthy hydrating lotion like the one from Teej Hanley keeps your hands hydrated and moisturized throughout the course of the day. You definitely don't want to be out and about and have dry, cracking skin, guys. So make sure that you keep a nice quality hand moisturizer with you every day, especially during the winter months when it's really, really cold outside. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope these items will help you to make sure that you have everything that you need every day that you leave the house, because these items are like American Express. You never want to leave home without them. If you want to hear more about Tiege Hanley's products, make sure that you click here. If you want to hear more about Tiege Hanley's skincare regimen products, make sure that you click the link over here. And that's it, guys, for this video. We will catch you on the next one. Peace.